To place an order on Uber Eats for the first time, start by downloading and installing the Uber Eats app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Create Account to sign up with your email address, phone number, or social media account. After creating your account, you will be prompted to enter your delivery address. Type in your address and select it from the suggested locations. You can also choose to use your current location by enabling location services on your device. Once your address is set, you can start browsing for restaurants in your area. The app will show you a list of available restaurants, along with their ratings and estimated delivery times. You can filter the results by cuisine, rating, or distance to find the perfect restaurant for your needs. When you find a restaurant you like, tap on it to view its menu. The menu will show you the available dishes, along with their prices and descriptions. You can add items to your cart by tapping the Add to Cart button next to each dish. After adding all the items you want to your cart, tap on View Cart to review your order. You can remove items from your cart or update the quantities as needed. When you are ready to place your order, tap on Place Order to proceed to the payment screen. On the payment screen, you can choose your payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or Uber Cash. You can also apply any available promo codes or discounts to your order. Once you have selected your payment method, tap on Place Order to confirm your order. After placing your order, you will receive updates on the status of your order, including when the restaurant starts preparing your food and when the delivery driver picks it up. You can track the location of the driver in real time and receive notifications when your order is on its way. To ensure a smooth delivery, make sure to provide accurate address information and be available to receive your order at the estimated delivery time. If you have any issues with your order, you can contact Uber Eats customer support directly through the app. By following these steps, you can easily place an order on Uber Eats and enjoy your favorite food from the comfort of your own home. Remember to always check the estimated delivery time in the restaurant ratings before placing your order to ensure a great experience.